Welcome to Eco. Just wait a second. Welcome to Eco Penny. You've reached a place if you want to find out how to clean, chemically free your denture appliances. So I've recently had to get one of these night appliances to wear at night to stop my teeth grinding together. So, what's the best way of cleaning dentures and appliances? So one way is to use a denture brush with toothpaste or washing up liquid. Washing up liquid's better because toothpaste can be abrasive. But even with washing up liquid, using one of these brushes, you can scratch the appliance, which is pretty expensive, and those little scratches can damage it and also be a place for a breeding ground of bacteria. So the better way of using a brush is to use an ultrasonic cleaner that uses gentle vibrations and little air bubbles to clean your appliance. So this is the go-to Dentagenie. It's not sponsored. I bought this from Woolworths, about $60 Australian on special. So let's unbox it and see what's in here. So it's got cardboard packaging. Oh, it's a bit of unnecessary foam here. If it was all cardboard, it would be better. We've got instructions. More plastic here, so it'd be better if it was all cardboard instead of plastic as well. But anyway, looks quite good there. Got an Australian power plug. Another bit of foam, so it'd be better if they didn't have, if this was cardboard as well, but anyway, at least the box is cardboard. So I'll read through that in a minute. Lift the lid here, so the lid's removable. So it says don't operate it without liquid, which is water. Rinse this with cool water after use and let it air dry. Got a little tray here, so you can use this for jewellery and other things too. So you probably won't need that. And there's a maximum fill line there. So what we've got to do is connect our plug to the back. If you're rinsing it, always tip it away from the plug. Don't tip it this way because water will go into the plug. So another good thing, it's a standalone appliance, no Wi-Fi, phone apps or anything needed. You just use the appliance as is. Much better. So it's pretty simple. Put your appliance in. I've got Brita filtered water here. Make sure you're below the maximum. Pop the lid on. Says 0. I'm going to press the time a few times. You've got 90, 180, 280, 380 or 480 seconds. I'm going to do the 380 seconds, which is about 6 minutes. So display says 380. Press on and it should turn off after about 6 minutes. See, it's got those micro pulses in the water making little bubbles that are going to clean the appliance. So that's pretty easy, turns off and stops. This appliance is only a few days old, so it's not that dirty looking, but it does a great job and it'll stop it going yellow and mouldy and horrible. Keep it nice and clean. So I'm pretty happy with that. So these appliances are pretty expensive. This was about $800 Australian, so you want to look after it. Give it a good shake out. Pop it back in there. So this water, you've got to discard it and then just give this a rinse. So always pour it away from the power cord side. So while I'm here, I might as well clean the tip, which is removable from my water flosser. So that hasn't had a deep clean at all. These got to replace them every few months. See if it fits in there. Fits in there. So you just want to cover the appliance with the water, so you don't have to fill it all the way through. That's in there, and I'll do that for the same 380 seconds. So it doesn't look massively cleaner, but it would have killed a lot of the bacteria and gunk living in there. So I don't have any jewellery to put in the little basket, but you can do the nose pads on glasses. These ones have probably never been done before, so if you've got a small screwdriver you can take the nose pads off, pop them in there, and do those as well. So I'll just change the water. You just got to be careful not to scratch the lenses. If you have trouble doing this, your local friendly optometrist should be able to do this surface as well, because they'll have a commercial cleaner. That was a bit fiddly, finally got that out. So we've got our nose pads out, pop the little basket in there, put some more Brita water in it. So these weren't absolutely stinking, but they do look a bit cleaner than before. Oh, it's nice to have glasses of nice clean nose pads. So I thoroughly recommend the go-to Denture Genie. I bought this myself with my own money, about $60 Australian from Woolworths. So it's an easy product, easy to use, simple to operate, just 2 buttons. You can change the time on it. I recommend the 380 seconds, which is about 6 minutes. Nice and easy operation. You don't need any apps or any Wi-Fi for it to work. You can do your nose pads and other jewellery and other little bits and pieces, but I'll be mainly using this for my denture mouth guard that I've got to wear at night to stop the teeth grinding together. So it's the most effective way of cleaning it without using harsh chemicals or brushes that can scratch the appliance. So it's chemical free, just using water and ultrasonic bubbles of air. So I hope this was interesting. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all the recent subscribers, heading towards 650 now, which is great. See you next time. Action. Oh, it's nice to have nice clean nose pads. So it's not a sponsored video, I bought this myself. I thoroughly recommend. Action.